Okay, looks like we are live streaming now. All right. Thank you very much once again for your patience. We are on the record with Mr. McMiller's matters. 1 second. We'll make sure I have them all here. All right, we're back on the record with People versus Damari Kavan McMiller. Counsel or parties, please again put your appearance on the record.
Aaron Oldtree on behalf of Mr. McMiller.
You want to give
Mr.
your full
Miller,
name, Mr.
My
McMiller?
MIP number is 69167. Mr. McMiller, please state your name.
Damari McMiller.
All right. And so, counsel, we had to leave because Madam Prosecutor indicated that she had more tickets she had to give pleas on or what have you. So we already have what you had before on the record. I think the only change was the number of tickets that were going to be dismissed because there was the thought that it would be 28 dismissals, but apparently it is not. And I just want to be clear, first of all, the 8 that we had spoke of before, those are still the same, right? The plea is still the same for those.
She's changed a couple of things. For example,
Well, hold on, Mr. Ogletree, before you go. My question is, are the 8 things, have they been changed? Any of the 8?
Yes, I'm looking at them. I think it's better, it would be clearer for us to do it over again. That'll probably go the quickest way.
Well, I tell you what,
There's now, she's having a plea, instead of the 4 field display, 6. And some of those have changed. And then improper plates is 9 improper plates. And then there's 2.
I got that there's going to be an addition because you found additional cases. What I'm trying to do is try to see if first of all, out of the 8, which ones are changed, and then we'll go with the additions. Okay.
Okay.
So as we had indicated before, let me just go down the list with the 8. And if there's no change, it stays the same, and we'll place that on the record. If there is a change, then you will tell me, okay? So let's just deal with those last 4 digits, or 3 if that is to your liking. The first one I have is 7371. That was supposed to be a guilty plea. It is supposed to be amended to improper plates. Is that the same or changed?
Still the same.
372, guilty plea, failure to appear. Amended to failure to appear.
Let's see. That's still the same.
I mean, did I say failure to appear? Failure to display. Failure to display.
Still
That's the same. Okay. 7131, guilty plea, amended to failure to display.
Still the same.
7132, guilty plea, amended to improper plates.
Still the same.
421, guilty plea. That was amended from open alcohol in a vehicle driver to passenger.
Now that's as charged.
Okay, as charged. All right. We have 5951, guilty plea. That was being amended to failure to display. Is that the same or changed?
5951. Yeah, that's still the same.
And 5952, guilty. That's amended to improper plates. Yes. Pardon me?
That's still the same.
Okay. Plate. And the last one I have is 7472, guilty plea, improper plates. Amended to improper plates.
I don't have that one on her list here.
Okay, so that probably has been changed then, because before you told me there was supposed to be a guilty plea on that, and it was be amended to improper plates. It is, of course, an unregistered or untitled vehicle of charge, amended to improper plates. So that apparently has changed. So now that is all 8 of the matters you told me about. So why don't you, I will take that off. So what are the additional matters that the defendant is pleading guilty to? Just give me those last 4 and we'll work.
Okay. So as charged,
First, give me the ticket number.
so SP 1433831.
1433.
No. So SP 1433831.
Okay, hold on.
That's an open alcohol driver. So she's added one count of that.
Okay, wait a minute. You going a bit fast. I'm still trying to find the ticket. So is SP 13 correct?
Yeah,
SP 131.
SP 14338.
Okay, hold on. 14. That SP 14. I do not have that.
Let's looking at what she wrote. So
I don't have anything SP 14. I have one SP 10, 12, 13, not 14. So I don't have that. So this must be a ticket that
yeah,
Your Honor, Your Honor, if you want, I can give it to you, Your Honor. Excuse me.
okay, yeah, that might work.
I have SP 134-33831.
yeah, I believe that's what she meant.
SP 134-33831.
Yes, Your Honor. Open.
That's
alcohol.
for, yeah, that is the other open alcohol driver. So counsel, what is the offer on that?
It's it doesn't have the additional 3 there. I believe that's the correct charge though, in terms of as charged.
Okay, so that's as charged, but there's a guilty plea.
Yeah, he's gonna plead guilty to that, yes.
Okay, the next, any other matters?
So for example, SP 1241121, he's gonna plead to that.
You have to kind of 124.
So SP 1241121, that's failed to display.
I have SP 124-21112. Is that what you just said?
Yes,
Okay, that is a guilty plea.
failed to display.
I'm sorry, Madam Clerk, are you trying to communicate something?
That's not me, Your Honor. That's not me.
Okay, we're trying to work this out as best we can. We can really hope, yeah, he's muted now. Okay, great. Again, SP 124-21122, guilty plea.
Yeah.
Amended to,
Failed to display.
okay. Next
And
one.
then there is SP 12188-601.
12188.
Then
60.
60.
Okay, hold on. SP 1218886. Is that 01 or 02?
01.
All right. Guilty plea
Correct.
and any amendment?
Failed to display.
Okay. Any others?
For failed to display, no.
So that is it for all of the guilty pleas?
No. She added 5 improper plates. Before it was 4, she added another 5.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just asking you, okay, well, what's the next one?
So so we've done the,
I think you have it listed per charge. I don't have that. I have it listed, I have the docket. So I go by the ticket number first. That's why I've been, when you tell me, okay, we got so many, let's just say you say we have so many unregistered, untitled. That's at the end of the list. I don't look at that. I look at the ticket number first. So that's
Right.
why I keep asking you, give me the ticket number and then be
Because-
slow with it because he has so many tickets. I have to find it so I can write my notes down. Okay, so what's the next one that he's pleading
Okay.
guilty to?
so, in terms of, we're going to the improper plates now.
Well, again, I don't have improper. Give me the ticket number.
I'm gonna give it a ticket number. So it's SP 12115953.
Okay, guilty plea. Any amendment?
Proper plates.
Improper plates.
And
Another.
then-
The
And
next.
then there's another one, which the digit, it just ends in a 2 instead of a 3. Improper plates.
We
Again,
already had that. Mhm.
okay,
And that's, yeah, we have all three counts he's pleading on those for that ticket. All three
Okay.
counts.
and then SP 12067133.
Okay, guilty. Any amendment?
Improper plates. And then the one right above that, 32.
We
Improper-
already had that.
Okay.
Okay.
And the other one, SP 10667371. Improper plates.
We already had that.
And then SP 12421122. Improper plates.
Hold on with that one. SP 124.
Then 21122.
SP 124 21121. We already did 22. That's guilty with failure to display. Are you telling me we're dealing with count one now?
I'm reading it from what she has the list on here.
Okay, but is it SP 124 21121?
No, 2. The last
Okay,
digit
well-
is 2.
Then we already have that. Thank you.
And then there's another set of tickets, improper plates, SP 12415733, and then 32.
Okay,
Those
that's guilty
improper-
plea.
Improper plates for both.
And what I got 3-3, and you said 3-2 as well.
Yes.
All right. Any others?
And then the last improper plates is SP 121888602.
Guilty with improper plate amendment.
Yeah.
Okay. Any
So-
other matters that are being that he's going to plead guilty to?
No, that should be a total of 17 tickets. So 6 failed to displays, 9 improper plates, 2 open alcohol drivers.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There was one you told me that was changed. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 15 matters. So we're
Okay.
missing one. Okay. You told me that SP 128-57472. Initially, you said there was going to be a guilty plea with an amendment down to improper plates, but then you told me it had changed. So that's an unregistered, untitled charge. Could it be that that is one of the tickets, one of the 16? Again, the last digits are 7472.
Yeah, the one that ends in 74. Let me see. There's nothing on the list that she gave me with 7472. So we went over all the improper plates. Then there should be 2 open alcohol driver, which one is SP 1206741.
I have the 2 alcohol in a alcohol in open alcohol in a motor vehicle. I have those 2. Let's
Okay.
go with the guilty improper plates for. Let's go with all of the no insurance, because that's what I think this is, that are being amended to improper plates, or tell me how many improper plates you have, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 of those. Is that correct?
I have 9. I
Well,
have
that's the
9.
problem. Let me go back over what I do have for improper plates. Because I see the original charges are all different. Some of them are different than others. So again, I have 7371, guilty, amendment to improper plates. I have 7132, guilty, amendment to improper plates. I have 7133, guilty, amendment to improper plates.
Mhm.
I have 5952, guilty, being amended to improper plates. I have 5953, guilty, being amended to improper plates. I had 7472, guilty, being amended to improper plates. Do you have that?
No, I don't have 7472 on that one.
Okay. That's fine. I will mark that off. I have 8602, guilty, being amended to improper plates.
Mm-hmm.
I have 5732, guilty, being amended to improper plates. And I have 5733, guilty, amended to improper plates. And that's it. That's all I have for the guilties and improper plates.
There's also SP 124-211-22.
I had that 2122. You told me that was guilty with failure to display.
On
Your
here,
Honor, excuse me, Your Honor, can I just send you what I have from the prosecutor? You think that might help you?
Yeah, I guess we're just missing one. We just missing just one. I'm gonna count it over again.
Okay.
so the 71, so the 1122 is improper plates, according
That's
to what the prosecutor listed.
Okay, it was failure to appear, but it's in proper place. So let me say that over. SP 124-211-22, guilty, being amended to improper place.
Correct.
All right. Still total, we don't have what we're supposed to have. Because I told you I had 15 and you said 16. Now, how many for the failure to display? I have 1, 2, 3. That's it.
Failed to display is SP 1211-3951.
Hold on. Hold on. SP2 what?
So SP 1211.
Okay, hold on with the 11. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, SP 121159551, failure to display, being amended. There's gonna be a guilty plea that got a failure to display. Okay, got that.
The SP 1206-7131 failed to display.
Yeah.
Then the next one, then it's SP 1066-7372.
Hold on. Hold on. SP 10.
Yeah, SP 10.
66.
Yes. Then 7372 failed to display.
Yeah, got that. Mm-hmm.
Then SP 12 11 57 31.
Hold on. 50, 12, 57, 31. Okay, SP 124-157-31. Okay, that's a guilty with what? That's a failure to display?
Yes. So we should now be at 4 photo displays. There's another 2 remaining.
Hold
It's,
on one second. Let me see if I got the 16 yet. I got the 16. Okay, so we're straight. We have the 16. All right, so what we're going to do, Mr. McMiller, you've placed your name on the record. We've gone over your plea several times. I know your counsel has spoken with you regarding all your charges. Is that correct? Mr. McMiller? Mr. McMiller?
Yes, ma'am.
Your counsel has gone over all your charges with you. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. He's also gone over with you the offer, the present offer, where you be pleading to 16 matters and the remaining matters are to be dismissed. Is that your understanding?
I'm on court. Hello.
Maybe we should do this another day.
No, I could do it today.
All right. Well, I need it quiet. We already working with a lot of tickets here and we're doing the best we can. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So again, you understand if you plead guilty to these matters, you're waiving your right to have a trial.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right. Very good. So it's 16 matters you're supposed to be pleading guilty to today, Mr. McMiller. You have that understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. That being said, there are other terms. That's my understanding, Mr. Ogletree. Will you place those on the record?
the prosecutor gave a sentence recommendation of the Mothers Against Drunk Driving program. So it's not a requirement. It's about if the court wishes to grant the prosecutor's request. Mr. McMiller is opposing it.
That's because he had the 2 alcohol tickets, I do believe, being the driver, open alcohol.
Yeah, there's in terms of there being open alcohol in the vehicle, but he denies that he was drinking alcohol at that time.
He didn't realize, well, okay, wait. First of all, those are the terms for the offer. If that is not agreed to, then we don't have an agreement. So clarify that for me, Mr. Ogletree. You said it is not, that is not the agreement. The Mothers Against Drunk Driving program is not part of the offer. It is
A recommendation. There's just something they're recommending. That's why I clarified with Ms. Rogers. I said, is this a requirement of the plea agreement? She said, no, it's a recommendation.
okay. All right. Okay. That being said, that is, well, then the only thing that we have here that you're agreeing to, Mr. McMiller, is that you would plead guilty to the 16 charges, stipulate to probable cause as to the other charges. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So that being said, you have that agreement. What I'm going to do is we're going to go through these tickets. We're going to need a factual basis on these, and as to the matters that are being dismissed, we'll just go with the stipulation for probable cause. I'll read those off on the record as well. We're trying to make this as quick as possible. But let me say this, for the matters that you plead guilty to, you're going to owe $240 for each ticket. And because you have, you're going to tell me a little bit about that open alcohol, because I don't understand how you didn't know you had alcohol. That's going to require, and then I will decide how we're going to, how the court is going to go about sentencing you, okay?
Okay.
Because if you have all these tickets, that's at least, I don't know, you know, you might have, if you had 10 tickets, that's going to be $240, not $240 per ticket. 10 tickets, it gets expensive, and you got to pay, you got 30 days to pay it. And so what I think I'm going to do is, no doubt you probably ask for extra time. If you need extra time to pay, I think we should have some kind of pre-sentence report or some kind of report, investigatory report, to see how you're doing, to require that you do go through the program, especially if you don't know when you're drinking. You don't know when you have open alcohol. It's not drinking, it is open alcohol. So I'm just saying that these things are up in the air, but we'll, as we go through it, we'll work it out. Okay, Mr. McMiller? You with me, Mr. McMiller?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but the bottom line is we're going to get these pleas. So there are I'm glad Madam Clerk has these, Madam Clerk. So thank you very much. We're going to go with SP. I'm going to start at the top of the docket, or his first case that's listed, SP 106673771. That is no insurance misdemeanor. And the second count is driver's license suspended. He's pleading guilty to both those matters with amendments. So, Madam Clerk, could you give us the date, place, and time for those?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just for those two, they should be the same since it's the same ticket.
Sorry, Your Honor.
That's okay.
Okay, I apologize. Okay, so that would be July the 1st, 2021 at Greenview Avenue and Pickford Street in Detroit.
All right, and that occurring in the city of Detroit. Mr. McMiller, that information is true and factual. You are stipulating to probable cause.
Yes.
Okay, count one is to be amended to improper plates. Count two is to be amended to failure to display. Now, SP 120671312 2 and 3. Madam Clerk, could you give us the factual basis for those three?
It was May the 31st, 2021, Cambridge Avenue in Edinburgh in Detroit.
Okay, and Mr. McMiller, that information that is provided is true and factual. You are stipulating to probable cause for count one, driving while license suspended, count two, unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count three, no insurance misdemeanor. All those are true. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, we have that stipulation. Let's go to SP 1207421. That is the open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Driver, get the factual basis for that matter.
That's same date, May 31st, 2021, Cambridge and Edinburgh.
All right, and Mr. McMiller, that information is true and factual. You are stipulating the probable cause for having open alcohol in a motor vehicle as the driver.
Yes.
That date. Very good. Now we have SP 1211595 and 2. Count one is driving while license suspended. Count two is unregistered or in untitled vehicle. Can we get the factual basis for that, Madam Clerk? Oh, and three. Count three is no insurance. Can we get the factual basis on those?
August 25th, August 25th, 2021, Ashbury Park in St. Martin's in Detroit.
Okay, that occurring in the city of Detroit. Mr. McMiller, that information is true and factual. As I said, count one, driving while license suspended. Count two, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. You are stipulating to probable cause on those?
Yes.
Very good. then the charges will be amended, and I should have read that before. The court is satisfied. The matter, count 1 for that matter is to be amended to failure to display. Counts 2 and 3 are going to be amended to improper plates. As to 7421, the open alcohol in a motor vehicle, that is as charged. We have a guilty plea. And as to SP 1206717 2 and 3, count 1 is driving while license suspended, is going to be amended to failure to display. Count 2 is unregistered or untitled vehicle. That's amended to improper plates, and so is count 3 of that matter. Okay. Next matter. SP 134-33831. That's another open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver matter. Can we get the factual basis on that?
Always have to locate it, Judge, I'm sorry.
No, take your time, really.
Okay, that one is April 21st, 2022, McNichols, doesn't say east or west, McNichols and Priest in Detroit.
All right. And Mr. McMillan, that information is true and factual. You had open alcohol in a motor vehicle as the driver on that date and time.
Yes.
All right, court is satisfied. That's guilty as charged. And then we have SP 121-88601 and 02. Count 1 is driving while license suspended. Count 2 is no insurance. Can we get the factual basis for those two?
That is July 13th, 2021, eastbound West 7 Mile and South Street in Detroit.
Okay, Mr. McMillan, that information as to count 1, you were driving while your license was suspended and you had no insurance while driving on that date and time as indicated?
Yes.
You are stipulating the probable cause. The court is satisfied with the guilty plea on those two. Count 1 is to be amended to failure to display. Count 2 is to be amended to improper plates. Then we have SP 124-15731, 2 and 3. Can we get the factual basis on those, ma'am?
Okay, this one.
Sure.
That was August 25th, 2021, Ashbury Park, St. Martin's in Detroit.
Okay, very good. And Mr. McMillan, that information is provided for count 1, driving while license suspended. Count 2, unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. That information is true and factual.
Yes.
Court is satisfied. Count 1 will be amended to failure to display. Counts 2 and 3 will be amended to improper plates. Last that I have is SP 124-21122. This is for no insurance. Madam Clerk, can we get the factual basis for that?
Yes, ma'am. That one is August 24th, 2021, Joy Road and Piedmont Street in Detroit.
All right, and Mr. McMillan, the information as provided is true and factual that you were driving without insurance on that date and time. Is that correct?
Yes.
Court is satisfied. We'll have a guilty plea and it will be amended to improper plates. So those are all of the matters that you are pleading to today. Okay. Will you confirm that, Mr. Ogletree? Is that it?
I believe so.
All right. I was hoping you'd go along with me, but okay. I'm hoping that that is the case. Not I hope so, but that they are all 16 taken care of. And so what I'm going to do, sir, is give you again $240 per ticket. Each guilty plea, $240. Now let me also say
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I keep counting it, but it looks like on my list, it looks like it's 17.
What other one do you have one that we haven't called yet?
I sent that list, so I was kind of not, I was trying to put in the tickets to get the factual basis, but according to what I sent you and what I'm counting, I'm showing 17.
Okay, you sent me something?
Right, remember I said, can I send this to you because we were not really getting all the numbers correct?
Did you send it by text or what?
Here, by your email, I mean, the one from the court's email.
Oh, no,
gonna-
I don't have email at court anymore. I'm retired.
Oh, that's what I've been sending.
I don't have anything there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, I would hate for this one to just, counsel, do you know what that 17th one is?
I think we went over all of them.
No, Madam Clerk says 17.
Cause okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 failed to displays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 improper plates and 2 as charged.
The two as charged are the open alcohol.
Yeah, that's alcohol.
See, that's
Then
open
6 failed to display. And then
I
there's,
looked
let
at-
me go over it again. There is 9 improper plays.
I think I just called 5 failure to display. And you said there's supposed to be 6. So let me double
Right.
check. Yeah, I've only got 5. So we're missing a failure to display.
That's good, okay. I can tell you what I have.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, let me know what you have.
Her writing is kind of hard to read, but I have SP 1211. This might be a 3951.
3.
Okay, 3951. Then I have SP.
Hold on.
Okay.
I can go over it quickly again. So
No.
the first one-
No. Let me find the ticket that was just given to me. Because I still have to find the ticket no matter what. That's on my end. You all have done your part, but I need to find that one ticket. So again, that's SP
1211
11
3951.
3951.
that's
The
that's
3. It's hard to read.
I don't have that.
no. So it's actually a 5. I'm looking at the docket. It's 12.
5951.
Right.
I've got that.
Okay,
And then-
5. That's a
And then the other one is 12. The other one is SP 1206 7131.
Got it.
The other one is SP 1066 7372.
Yep.
The other one is SP 1211 5731.
Hold on. 5731. 1211. That I don't have. SP 1211. Then you said, hold on. SP 1211. What's the last digits?
So 5731.
5731.
Right.
No, I don't have that. That's the one I'm missing. 5731. It's not on the list. It's not on the docket. 1, 2, 1, 1, 57, 1, 1. Madam Clerk, do you have the docket in front of you?
I do, but it's confusing. That's why I was trying to look at her office sheet.
I see it, Your Honor. It's listed under general license suspended.
I wouldn't, as I say, the charge I don't have. So again, SP 12115711. That is correct?
Let me pull it up on my phone here. Well, it's SP. What's that? That's the call. So let me see here on this. I think I see what's the issue here. So it's a mistake. It's a mistake listed. So it should be SP 12415731.
Did you say 41? SP
It
12?
It should be 41, but on here it's a typo. So it should be 12 SP 12415731.
That I
But
do have. That I do have. Thank you very much. That I do have. I did not have the other number that was given. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 failure to displays. What else? We need 2 more.
then it should be SP 21. SP 12188601.
Got that one.
SP 1241 12, then it's a 1. It should she's mentioned this, it should be another 1 after that. Let me see, one more, hold on one moment. It should be another digit right after that, because right there is missing a digit. I think it should be, I think it should
the
be,
numbers?
yeah, it's missing 1 number. It should be SP 12421121.
I got that. And that one I did not read off. Thank you very much. SP 124211121. Are we all on the same page with that? That's supposed to be a guilty plea with a failure to display amendment. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm asking you, Madam Clerk, and counsel.
Yes.
I'll just go with whatever you guys have, because I miss.
It was just a typo. Sometimes that happens. She has a lot of stuff that she's trying to get done. So
Yeah, and we working it out as best we can. That's what I say. That's all we can do. He's got a number of tickets. We don't often get this, and we just trying to work it out as best we can. That's all right. So again, this will be the 17th that I did not call, okay? And it's going to be 17 because he's pleading to 17 matters. We have 16. The last one, number 17, that he's pleading to is SP 124211121. That is for driving while license suspended. Can we get a factual basis for that?
That is August 24th, 2020, Joy Road in Piedmont.
All right. The court is. Come on, Mr. Come on now. Okay. So that being said, the court is satisfied with that factual basis. If you are, Mr. McMiller, on that day you were driving while your license was suspended in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, we'll amend that to failure to display. So now we have the 17 matters. 17 guilty pleas. The remainder will be dismissed. Okay. That being said, $240 per ticket. So now that we have the guilty plea on the alcohol tickets, what's going on with that? I don't understand what was said about he didn't know that there was open alcohol in the vehicle.
It's not that he didn't know there was open alcohol in the vehicle. His position is that he wasn't drinking. So he doesn't understand why he would have to take a mother drunk driving program when he says he wasn't drinking. But he doesn't dispute there was open alcohol in the vehicle.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's legitimate. Okay. So that being said, what are we going to do about this? I don't have my calculator. $240 times 17. How much is that? $4,080. So typically I think the most we give is 90 days. You can make that payment, Mr. McMiller? I can't hear you on mute.
I think he's asking to be put on a payment
Yes,
plan.
ma'am.
All right. So yeah, that's $4,080. You heard that. And I didn't hear your response.
I said, yes, ma'am.
You can't pay it? Okay, fine. Fine
Yes.
then. Okay. So that being said, please try to get your license. The payment is due. You say you can pay, so 30 days is 6/12/2023. Make sure you make payment. Be careful. No open alcohol in the motor vehicle. You're getting a break. You're getting a massive break. The other tickets are only going to be dismissed though if you make payment in a timely fashion. So they'll
Okay.
bounce right back up if the payment is not made. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Unless there's something else, Mr. McMiller.
No, that's all.
All right. Well, good luck to you, sir. Good luck to you. And take care. Counsel, thank you very, very much for your time today. I appreciate it. And
Happy
madam,
Mother's Day.
unless that is it, right?